all, welcome back to my channel The Univ. Myself Girivashni, and the channel is to discuss some interesting facts about science, space and technology. I know it's a delay from my side. I started a series called Everything About Cosmos about 4 months back, where we had an introduction to cosmos with a few facts and quests. As informed prior, the continuation would be on the universe's origin, and here it is. If you do not know what I am speaking about, check the part 1 of the series. The link is in the description. Let's get started.
3, 2, 1, go.
From the smallest particle on the earth to the largest galaxies, from the smallest bacteria to the largest organism, everything in space, time, matter and energy is a part of the cosmos. The universe is everything. To discuss the origin of the universe means to discuss the origin of everything. The birth of the universe took place much before the mankind arrived on the earth. So it is not something that either a human or our technology can or has witnessed. So whatever we discuss about the origin is based on assumptions, calculations and preferences. It is widely believed that the universe was formed almost 13.8 billion years ago. To be more precise, 13.787 plus or minus 0.02 billion years ago. Even this commonly known fact can never be assumed to be wholly true. From the calculations based on the observable universe, which is spread over 93 billion light years and is considered to have almost infinite mass and energy, the age of the universe was calculated. But now there's an instance, a very recent study that has come out claiming that to explain the massive galaxies found at huge distances through the James Webb Telescope, the universe is older than we think, which is almost 26.7 billion years. However, it is not proven yet. Also, based on Big Bang's theory, it is assumed that the universe is potentially an infinite series of expanding and contracting cosmos. That is, a cyclic growth and contraction of everything within the universe, wherein the 13.8 billion years, which we believe to be the age of universe, might not be correct. A crucial thing to remember in any science is a wonder once is the technology today, and the wonder today will be the technology tomorrow. Similarly, a flaw once is the fact now. Generally, humans have hundreds of thoughts running and thousands of questions from the thoughts. One of the most asked questions is, how did it all begin? I know, at this point, even you must think, this was a question I asked myself many times. Everyone has their view on it. Those who believe in God say that God is the creator of everything. He created plants, animals, planets, galaxies, and the universe. But then, who created the God? How did everything emerge out of nothing? Is the one whom they refer to as God nothingness? Also, some believe that the world, three-dimensional in space and one-dimensional in time, in which we live, is a simulation of higher dimensions, similar to how we have video games on our two-dimensional screen. In simple words, are we a player in a video game played by creatures of higher dimensions controlling our minds? When such thoughts run through our brains, we simply smile and tell ourselves that God knows or who cares. But that is not where science stops. It goes beyond this thought. Everyone who can overcome that thought of ours can be claimed as a scientist. As it is not easy, we have almost only 0.15% of researchers worldwide. Diving back into the content of the origin of the universe, many theories were proposed and are being proposed on the origin of the universe. Some of the most believed cosmological models include the Big Bang theory, inflation theory, multiverse theory, steady state theory, cyclic universe theory, brane theory, quantum fluctuation theory, conformal cyclic cosmology, string theory, loop quantum cosmology, simulated universe hypothesis, holographic universe theory, self creation universe model, biocentric universe theory, cosmic natural selection, emergent universe theory, zero energy theory, Higgs boson and Higgs field theory, contracting universe theory, etc. In fact, hundreds of theories are being proposed on the universe's origin. The ones listed are the most infamous among them. You must be well aware of the most acceptable theory of the origin of the universe, which is the Big Bang. Further, we'll discuss the Big Bang theory and two other possible theories. Of the listed theories, if you are interested in any of the others, let me know in the comment section. I will try to include it in my next video. Big Bang. As just said, it is the most prevailing model today on the origin of the universe. Due to the strong support from the evidence like observed redshift of distant galaxies, cosmic microwave background radiation CMBR, and abundance of hydrogen and helium in the universe, it provides a thorough structure for understanding the evolution from the earliest moments. The Big Bang model states that universe's history starts with a singularity in space and time where all matter and energy are concentrated. In a split-second period, the singularity went through a rapid and exponential expansion known as cosmic inflation. This expansion made the universe cool and the matter energy to spread out. The split second was the beginning of the time. This explosion created all the matter, energy, space, and time. The key events timeline, as per the Big Bang, is divided into smaller stages called epochs. 0 to 10 power minus 43 seconds is the Planck epoch when the laws of physics were started. 10 power minus 43 to 10 power minus 36 seconds is a grand unified epoch when the unified fundamental force came into action, which was divided into four fundamental forces: strong nuclear force, weak nuclear force, electromagnetic force, and gravitational force. 10 power minus 36 to 10 power minus 32 seconds is an inflationary epoch when the exponential expansion started, where the universe expanded faster than the speed of light. Later, the time scale goes like electroweak epoch, quark epoch, hadron epoch, lepton epoch, photon epoch, and nuclear epoch till 3,80,000 years. After that, the universe cools enough for the electrons to combine with nuclei, forming neutral atoms and releasing cosmic microwave background radiation CMBR due to the recombination. The period here is known as the radiation era. Then the matter dominated era started and it still lasted. It has epochs like atomic epoch, galactic epoch, and stellar epoch. We are currently in the stellar epoch. The first element, helium, was formed in the radiation era, and the first element formed in the matter era, is hydrogen. Due to the heat within the stars, lighter elements like hydrogen and helium combine to form all the other elements in the universe, which build the compounds leading to the formation of planets, stars, comets, plants, animals, and even us. The universe is still expanding as per the Big Bang, which is evident due to this red shift from distant galaxies proved by Hubble in the 20th century. Though this cosmological model is consistent with a few facts, this theory has drawbacks. It doesn't explain why the universe had the specific initial conditions, how the infinitely dense and hot point came into existence, and why the Big Bang occurred to result in the particular properties of our universe. This theory doesn't explain the nature of dark matter and dark energy and doesn't hold with the principles of quantum gravity. Theorists have found something interesting regarding what happened before the Big Bang. Before the formation of the singularity, there was empty space. Empty space doesn't mean nothing. The universe didn't start from nothing. It started from empty space, and the empty space has quantum fluctuations. So, empty space is not empty. Based on one of the rules of Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, the net energy of any system can never be zero. So, empty space does have energy. One of the most widely accepted alternative theories for the Big Bang is the cyclic universe model, which proposes that the universe goes through infinite cycles of expansion and contraction, each cycle beginning with a Big Bang and ending with a big crunch, showing that the universe has no true beginning or ending. Another acceptable theory is the multiverse theory, which proposes that our universe is just one of the many other bubble universes. It goes with the idea of eternal inflation. Also, it says that the laws of physics, constants, and other properties differ from one universe to the other. As precisely stated by Albert Einstein, the most incomprehensible thing about the universe is that it is comprehensible. The way we look at our universe determines the way it sounds to us. Let's start thinking about the universe and its origin. Maybe one of our random thoughts is the thing that happened a few billion years ago. Like, share, and subscribe for more such videos. Wait, this isn't over yet. I have a small question for you to think about. Where is the hottest place in this universe? And what is the maximum temperature that an object can acquire? Start exploring to unlock the mysteries of science. I'll answer the question in my next video. Stay tuned.